And good morning, everybody. Tyler Case here in the Weather Watcher studio with your Sunday morning forecast for April 7th, 2013. We had a very nice day here in New Brunswick yesterday, and those conditions are going to continue a little bit. We may even see some highs in the 70s for parts of this week. However, we'll have some chances of rain to go with that. Some more on that in just a little bit. For now, we'll take a look at our morning almanac. You can see morning low 36 degrees, so we're right below our average of 37, although we are going to be above our average high today of 58. Records 90 for your high set in 1929 and 16 for your low back in 1982. Sunrise sunset time 6:32 for that sunrise, and it will set at 7:28 p.m. this evening. Now, as we take a look at where our neighbors are going to be this morning, we got Providence at 54 degrees, 60 in Newark. That's going to be our cold spot. 63 in Camden, 68 in Baltimore. There'll be the warm spot in our region today, 62 in State College, Pennsylvania, and 63 up there in Rochester, New York. Now, as we bring things back onto the national satellite, you can see we're sandwiched right between two high pressure systems. Unfortunately, those blocks are not going to be enough to keep this low pressure system from moving on in eastward and bringing us some chances of rain for tonight. And then later on in the week, we're going to have this low pressure system start to move eastward, and that's going to bring us our chances of rain again later on into the school week. For today, high of 62 degrees, windy, pleasant, winds out of the south at 11 to 15 miles per hour. The partly cloudy skies, beautiful day to go outside and throw a frisbee around if you have some free time. Low of 45 degrees for tonight. We do have a slight chance of showers, but mainly that's going to be early on, mainly between 11 p.m. and midnight. Winds out of the south at 5 to 9 miles per hour. And as we move on into tomorrow, you can see a high of 70 degrees, so we're going to be sort of basking in the springtime sun. Clouds building into the evening, however, on ahead of a front that's going to move in. Winds will be light and variable. And on into tomorrow night, low of 51 degrees, chance of some showers, winds out of the south at 6 miles per hour. Now is a lot of active action going around, regarding Rutgers sports right now. So you can see a temperature of 52 degrees for our women's tennis sportscast. Start time 10 a.m., partly sunny skies, mild, winds out of the south at 10 miles per hour. Now we also have the softball team taking on Georgetown at the RU softball complex. Temperature 54 degrees for that first pitch at noon. Winds will be increasing as that game progresses, but we're going to start with them out of the south at 13 miles per hour. We also have the women's lacrosse team taking on Syracuse today at Yurcak Field. Temperature of 56 degrees for that first drop at 1. Windy but pleasant. Again, winds out of the south at 14 miles per hour. And also at 1 p.m. we have the baseball team taking on Seton Hall at Baton Field. 56 degrees again for that first pitch at 1 p.m. It's going to be a beautiful day for baseball. However, those winds may play a little bit of a factor out of the south at 14 miles per hour. And as I step out of your extended forecast, you can see those warm temperatures I was talking about, 62 for today for your high, dropping down to 45, and then partly sunny skies both today and tomorrow with a high of 70 tomorrow, dropping down to 51 in the evening. Then that rain starts to roll in for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. High of 76 for Tuesday, and then we're going to be back into the mid to low 60s for Wednesday and Thursday, and those lows ranging between the low 50s and into the upper 40s. Now, as always, you can check us at RUTV Channel 6 every 15 minutes. You can also find us on Facebook at RU Weather Watcher and tweet us at RUTVWW, and you can always find our forecasts online at rutv.rutgers.edu. My name's Tyler Case. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have an excellent week.